a gift for you. Hello, AJ. Thank you so much for your support for our channel and participating in the live stream. Congratulations on the win from Guten Gardening. Enjoy the video. I would like to take the time out to say thank you, Guten Gardening, for the giveaway, the prize that you sent to me. And viewers, if you're interested, check him out. He has a lot of gardening tips, really great videos, a lot of information for anyone that wants to know stuff about gardening. Check his channel out. Show him some love and support. And if you go check him out, tell him AJ's Green Topic sent you. And that's Guten Gardening. I received this box from the postmaster, and I didn't know what it was, so I opened it up, and what I found out, it was a winning from a giveaway from Guten Garden. I just want to say thank you for the gift, and what I chose out of the giveaway was the grow bags, a set of 10. And what I'm going to do is be able to grow some plants in this. And on that note, if you like someone's channel, subscribe to them because they have giveaways. And also, hit the bell notification and receive all their content, because you never know when something like this is going to come around. But I chose the grow bags that I'm going to grow produce in, my vegetables and stuff like that. But I just want to say thank you, Guten Garden, once again for the giveaway. Appreciate you taking time out to do this. So on that note, once again, viewers, if you are interested in anyone's content, subscribe to the channel and click on that bell so you won't miss any other type of giveaways that your favorite channels might be giving away. Here's more information about the grow bags. It says the grow bags are made of high quality non-woven woven fabric. It can be used to grow plants, fruits, and vegetables. The benefits of using grow bags: to allow the plants to breathe better and keep their roots healthier. With more temperature stability, better soil to moisture retention. With the heavy-duty portable handles, easy to move. Suitable for indoor and outdoor planting. Durable, washable, reusable, and environmentally friendly. If you're interested, look on Amazon for these grow bags.